Vision Pro pre-orders are a week away, and Apple is sharing small information about the buying process. An iPhone or iPad with Face ID will be needed to determine the best fitting hardware at checkout. For those who wear glasses, Apple has shared more details of the process of ordering size optical inserts. In an email reminding customers about the upcoming pre-order kickoff, Apple included these two details about the buying process. Make sure your Apple Store app is up to date. After a face scan, you will need the latest version of Apple Store app, which becomes available on January 11th. When you order Apple Vision Pro, you need to scan your face with an iPhone or iPad with Face ID. This helps us determine the right size, light seal, and headbands, which works together to give you a precise fit. Apple reiterates that in-store demos will take place over launch weekend. Be one of the first to get a demo of the Apple Vision Pro only at the Apple Store starting at 8 am on Friday, February 2. We invite you to sign up for a demo of the Apple Vision Pro at a local Apple Store. Demo times will be available Friday throughout the weekend on first come first serve basis. Apple also added a section for preparing Vision Pro to the Apple Store app on iOS with the following details. Apple Vision Pro ordering process. So it's very interesting that Apple is launching this product. It was initially expected to come in March, so they're dropping it early. Maybe the declining sales of iPhones globally is forcing them to take this step.